True or false? Inspection, maintenance and repair start when the cable stops working. 50% chances. Who wants to start?
False.
Definitely false.
Hello everyone and welcome to Beyond the Cable.
A conversation about IMR.
What is IMR?
Inspection, maintenance and repair.
All right, so today we're going to have this conversation. Ready for it?
Ready. Let's go.
Let's start it.
To make your life easier, we are going to have, let's say, a conversation about what you do every day. Because honestly, recently I've noticed that there is way more focus on IMR. Now we start to see people dedicated to IMR in each department, which is sending a message like the company is paying attention to the IMR discipline. And I see something I don't quite understand already on the screen, on AIM. What does that mean?
On AIM is our Asset Integrated Management, a set of solutions dedicated to IMR that can cover sensitive, preventive maintenance and ready to act, so that we guarantee to our client the continuity of transmission.
Now, imagine you are at school and you're going to pick the question for your exam. So Marco, just choose.
This one.
Okay. Right. That's a sentence that it may sound as a cliché, but it's not, which is reacting is no longer enough.
I totally agree with this.
Okay.
It's definitely not enough anymore. We used to do it this way. So we used to wait for something to happen and then we're reacting to try to fix it somehow. Nowadays instead, we are just going full gas from the get-go and we are taking care of the asset before it even breaks. So it's a full reliability and a full getting ready before things happen.
Exactly, and that starts well in advance of a fault or a damage, because this is really at the key of our service level agreement and the proposition we try to sell in the market.
Your turn, Dario.
Here we are. Let's go for that one.
That one?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Energy continuity is determined before the emergency.
Yes, this is a very important aspect, especially for the client, because they need to guarantee the continuity of the service. So we have delivered a lot of projects, a lot of systems are running, and they have to be kept running without having interruption. And this is the focus on IMR.
And familiarity is a key pillar of this kind of solutions, and that's why we have teams like the one managed by Dario that are dedicated to a specific project, to a specific client, that can know exactly the peculiarity of that project and really intervene in a smooth, efficient and quick way.
You got the last one.
Okay. Right. That is, I believe, also a sensitive topic because recently in the news we've heard about some critical circumstances happening in some countries. And the point is, today, downtime rarely comes without a warning, which, as said, considering how complex infrastructures are becoming, the targets of each country in terms of energy transition, but equally, it shouldn't be a surprise when this happens. How do you see that?
Yeah, definitely. In the past, it happened that we were having a lot of cables still, but very little capability of monitoring the state of health of these cables. Nowadays, instead, with the modern technologies, we are able to assess the health of the cable and the status of them, and we are very much able to intervene before, or anyhow assess what is failing or what is happening on the cables. And this is helping for sure to tailor better solutions to intervene quicker, faster, without all the problems that were triggered when you are caught by surprise by these issues.
So experience is definitely playing a key role, and that's why our 24/7 control room are manned with key experienced people that are able to analyze the data, understand the trend and prevent any wrong outcome. Additionally, this kind of control room can also coordinate the intervention and really work side by side with dedicated vessels in standby, like we have the IMR dedicated vessel, or other assets or personnel from the Anioxic team that can really be engaged in the smoothest ways possible.
Oh,
What's happening?
Alarm.
it seems like an alarm and it's red. It asks true or false. Inspection, maintenance and repair start when the cable stops working. 50% chances, who wants to start?
False.
Definitely false.
Definitely false.
Why false?
False because, of course, the inspection and maintenance starts before the actual repair is going on. So before the cable stops working, we are able to assess and determine if the cable is going fine or it has some issues, and in that case, we can intervene before the actual failure.
Absolutely. Thank you for your time and for your explanations. I'm looking forward to listening to what's next in the next episode.
Exactly. Next episode will be dedicated to sensing and monitoring.
All right, cool. Looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Thank you.